So as you can see today, we're dealing with this big rooftop unit here, trying to figure out what's wrong with it. What it's doing apparently is not communicating with the board. Is it showing off or just not doing?
It's not communicating.
Yeah, the automatic logic board is not. Let's take a walk around this one. See, it's got the economizer. Now we're trying to reset the automatic logic board itself. Was it off before you did that?
No, it was working.
That's almost like resetting it.
See if he can get control of it.